Hello everyone. So in previous video we saw the theory of branches and we understood what is branches and why we need it and how we use it. Now let's do some practicals. What I will do? I will first, this is my empty repository. It is not a Git repository yet. Okay. So I will do git bash here like this. And first thing I will do is I will initialize Git repository, and this will make my current working repository as a Git current working repository. And now Git can track all of my changes. Okay, it is done. Main is coming. Now let's create one file. Such f1.txt. If I see, file has been created. Okay, now let's write something in the file. Okay, so what I will do, vim, let's use nano f1.txt. Okay, and let's write the commit. This is in the main branch. Okay, I will do control S and then I will do control X. Done. If I do cat f1.txt, I can see the text. Right. Now let's do the commit. So first thing what I will do git status. It will show me there is one file. I will do git add all. Okay, then I will do git commit -m created f1.txt and return a line. Okay, done. Great. Now if I do git log, I can see my head is at main and this is my commit. Right, till this point we have seen this process multiple times. Now let's create the branch. Okay, for creating the branch there is two methods. First is git branch and then I will provide the branch name. Let's say branch 1. Okay, if I do now, if I do git branches -a, just give me a moment, I guess I misspelled it. So the correct command will be just a git branch. Okay, yeah, git branch will do the job. Okay, there is a branch 1, there is the main. There is one more thing, -a, that means all the branches. This command will help us more when we are learning GitHub or Git remote. Okay, now there is two branch. One is branch 1, one is main. Now let's go to branch 1. For that, what I need to do, git checkout branch 1. Now I am in branch 1. Let me see what is there in f1, cat f1.txt. Yeah, what does it mean? Whenever I commit and create the new branch from that commit, at that time all the data will be retrieved. So if I do git log right now, git log, let me do it. As you can see, head and branch 1 Both are at the same point. What does it mean? Here, it is mean that I am somewhat at this point, at the very beginning. Let's say this is my main branch and I just made one comment, right? So right now, both main branch and branch 1 both are pointing to the same comment and both are at the same comment. Okay, now let's move on. Let me do nano f1.txt and let me add one more line here. This line has been added in branch 1. Control S, Control X. If I do git status, there is one modifications. Now let's do git add all, git commit -m added line in branch 1. Okay, now let's switch to the main branch. For that, what I can do, git checkout main. Now if I do ls, if I do cat f1.txt, see there is no extra line here. If I do git checkout branch 1 and if I do cat f1.txt, there is an extra line here. What does it mean? Now we are maintaining two separate versions of the same file and I can do now parallel development. Okay, I can do parallel development at this point. Let's say again I want to add one more feature and I want one more branch for maybe some experimentation. Let's say from the main only I want to initialize the branch. So again I will do git checkout main and I will show you one more method to create a branch, that is git checkout -b branch 2, that is branch name. So it will create also and it will automatically switch to that branch also, as you can see. Now if I do ls, there is f1.txt. If I do cat f1.txt, there is a comment, there is the line. If I edit it nano f1.txt and let me edit it, this line is added in branch 2. Control S, Control X. Let's do commit. Git status. It is always a good practice before doing commits, always do git status. Git add all, git commit -m added a line in branch 2. Now if I do git log, see in branch 2 there is a comment and here it is showing. If I do git branch, here it is showing all the branches. Like this, you can create the multiple branches. I hope you understood how to create a branch and how to switch in between the branch. Now let me show you how to delete a branch. For deleting the branch, I can do git branch -d and branch name. Let's say I want to delete branch 2. Okay, it is telling cannot delete branch 2 because I am all in on branch 2. So I can't delete the branch in which I am working. So let me do git checkout main. Now I am in brain. I can do git delete branch 2. Now what it is telling, branch 2 is not fully merged. If you're sure you want to delete it, run git branch minus capital D branch 2. So no need to worry what is merge. Okay. It is basically telling, hey, are you sure you want to delete it? Because whatever changes and whatever you have done in the branch 2, that will be wiped out entirely. You can't restore it. Are you sure? If you are sure and you want to delete it forcefully, use capital D. So let's use capital D, and branch 2 has been deleted. Now if I do git branch, as you can see, there is only 2 branches, that is branch 1 and branch 2. So I hope you understood how to create, switch and delete branches. And I hope you had a fun and you understood what is the importance and how we can use it in the projects. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.